Hey there, food enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into some surprising stats about global pizza consumption. You won't believe how much pizza some countries devour. Let's start with Norway. Norwegians are the pizza champs, eating a whopping 11.4 kilograms or 25.1 pounds of pizza per person every year. That's 47 million frozen pizzas annually. Can you imagine? Next up, Canada. Canadians love their pizza too, munching down 8.9 kilograms or 19.6 pounds per person per year. Australia isn't far behind, with 8.6 kilograms or 18.9 pounds of pizza per person each year. Now let's head over to the birthplace of pizza, Italy. Italians consume 7.6 kilograms or 16.7 pounds per person per year, and get this, they eat 1 million pizzas every single day. Of course, I can't forget the United States. Americans eat pizza like it's going out of style, with 350 slices consumed every second. Yes, you heard that right. The average American devours 40 pizzas a year. That's a lot of cheesy goodness. Other pizza-loving countries include Switzerland, Sweden, France, and Germany. But here's a twist. India, known for its rich culinary heritage, consumes relatively less pizza. The average Indian eats just 1.3 kilograms or 2.9 pounds of pizza per year. So there you have it. Some eye-opening stats on global pizza consumption. Which country surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tidbits. See you next time.